Today I'm assembling my Barricade piston on my tailgate of my truck. It's gonna go right here. Alright, so you get this piece, you gotta bend it a little bit, and then you gotta stick it in, and then tighten it by hand with the bolt. Now, depending on what you're gonna need, you're gonna need a T27. That's for these bolts. You may need a Phillips head bit. You may need ratchet, electric ratchet, and T45 for this. So this is what you're gonna need. All right, so you gotta bend this like so. You gotta get your tailgate hardware off so you can get underneath. You don't need a whole lot of space. What you want to do is go right in here. You'll meet it right here. And if you can see it, there's the nut. So it's going to go right here. You thread it on. You put the screw on with the washer. Give me 1 second. Alright, so you want to get the metal bar in, but bent enough that you can just fit it in and tighten it here where it's nice and flush. All right, now you're gonna need a size 14 to tighten this on. I'm not doing it by hand so you can see it, but we're gonna do it with the ratchet. That's staying there. And yeah, you can't see it too well. It's right here though. But yeah, here's the metal. Here's this. Let's do it with the ratchet. Gonna get that there. Hold it here. Oh, gotta tighten it, not loosen it. Nice and tight. There we go. All right. Now the second part is you're going to want to take out this. You'll want to probably lift this up a little bit so you can take this out. Pop in this piece. This goes in like there. And then you put the piston on right here to here. And that's going to complete the install. So let's try and do that right now. Before I do that, I'm going to put all my hardware back on this. Make everything nice and happy. So I'm going to start things threaded by hand. Tighten it all down. Working on this right now. Should have no more issues. This part will go right here. Also want to be careful. Strip it. Gonna need 2 hands. All right. What you need to do is separate the pin. Sorry for the poor picture. Yeah, so you want to be careful with the pin because it can come loose. So this part is not the part that is going to move. So this top will go up here and the bottom will go to your tailgate, which is going to be right here. All right, now as for things that I did, I was able to get the pin on here. I know it's hard to see, but the pin is on the ball right there. Couldn't get the pin on up here. I'm gonna research if that's needed, but other than that, the tailgate assist is on. Let's try it out. All right, trying it out. Here we go. Closing, and there it is. It's in action. Look at that. Amazing. 40 bucks. Cheapo Badipo happy and insane. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Makes it so much better when using your tailgate. And that's going to do it for this video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Have a great day. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.